Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up, use, and exit Assistive Access on your iPhone. Assistive Access provides a distinctive iOS experience for iPhone. When you set up and start Assistive Acees, apps will be redesigned larger and contain core features that can be easily customized. It provides customized settings and features that allow users to interact with their iPhones in a way that works best for them. Let's see how to set up Assistive Access on your iPhone. To enable Assistive Access on your iPhone, please follow the steps demonstrated in the on-screen video guide. Ensure your iPhone is already set up. Running on iOS 17 or a later version is essential before starting the Assistive Access setup. Now launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on the Assistive Access under the General section. Then tap on Set Up Assistive Access. Here, Assistive Access provides a distinctive iOS experience for iPhone. Tap on the Continue button. From here, you need to confirm that the Apple ID below belongs to the person who will be the primary user. So, tap on the Continue button. Now, choose the Appearance option and how icons and text will appear in Assistive Access. For example, here, the Grid option is selected. Then, tap on the Continue button. Now, you will see the Choose Apps page optimized for Assistive Access. Tap on the plus icon next to the app name, customize the app, and then tap on the Continue button. You can choose from other apps that are not optimized for Assistive Access. Do this for all apps you want to add to the home screen. If you want to remove an app, tap the minus icon beside the app and then select the Remove option. Tap on the Continue button. There are differences in iOS features when you use Assistive Access. For instance, triple-click the side button to access the emergency call. The app notifications will appear as badges, and privacy information such as location indication may not be available. Tap on the Continue button. If the iPhone passcode is set up for your device, you must confirm that the primary user can unlock your iPhone using the passcode. Or you can change the security settings. Tap on the Continue button. You will see the Set Assistive Access passcode screen. So, enter the passcode and re-enter the Assistive Access passcode to confirm. You can use this password to exit the Assistive Access. You can set up a recovery Apple ID to get help if you forget your Assistive Access passcode. It will also help you to exit Assistive Access because Apple ID gives you a secure way to reset the Assistive Access passcode if you forget it. At last, you will see a guide message to exiting Assistive Action. Tap on the Continue button. You will see Assistive Access is ready to use. Select Enter Later option. That's it. Now let's see how to use Assistive Access on iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, tap on the Assistive Access under the General section. Here, you can make changes at any time. Also, you can select and manage apps and customize options for the person using Assistive Access on the iPhone. To add an app, tap on the plus icon next to the app name, or to remove an app, tap the minus icon beside the app name and select the Remove option. Then go back to the previous page and scroll down. From here, you can set wallpaper by choosing a photo. Also, you can turn on the toggle beside the Allow Volume button, show time on the lock screen, show battery level on the home screen, and show notification badges. Moreover, to enable Siri during Assistive Access, turn on the toggle beside Allow Siri. To use Siri, you must set up Siri beforehand. At last, you will see passcode settings to change the Assistive Access passcode. Then tap on Start Assistive Access. During this, your iPhone screen will turn black and show a message like Entering Assistive Access. To use the apps in Assistive Access, tap on the app icon to launch the app. You will see the initial screen in an extensive interface. Tap on the back button to return to the Assistive Access home screen. To lock your device, press the side button on your iPhone. Press the side button to unlock your iPhone. Now, press the Tap and select Tap. Then, tap the Open option. Your device will ask you to enter your lock screen password. So, enter the lock screen password. Assistive Access home screen will appear. To use some features on your iPhone, like Siri, FaceTime, Wallet, and Health, you need to turn off Assistive Access mode. They are not available in Assistive Access mode. Now let's see how to exit Assistive Access on iPhone. Press the side button 3 times. You will see 3 options: Settings, Emergency, and Exit Assistive Access. You can select the Settings option to change basic Assistive Access settings and tap Emergency to access emergency options during Assistive Access. Here, we want to exit Assistive Access. So, select the third option, Exit Assistive Access. Your device will ask you to enter an Assistive Access passcode. Enter the password and wait for a few seconds. Your iPhone screen will turn black and show a message like Exiting Assistive Access. Now your iPhone will return to its regular iOS interface. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.